Hi guys, today I want to show you how to make the most simple yet wonderful whipped mango body butter. Mango butter is similar to unrefined shea butter. However, it's for those people that think that shea butter is too dense or rich for their skin. Mango butter is a little lighter. It's more of a, let's call it dry butter, in the sense that once you apply it, it absorbs really quickly and it doesn't leave a residue. The three ingredients you need for this recipe are mango butter. This is a soft, colorless and unscented butter, very easy to whip and soft to the touch. The second ingredient is a carrier oil of choice. Almond oil, jojoba, or apricot are awesome choices depending on your preferences or what you have available. The last ingredient is an essential oil or blend of choice. This is where you personalize your custom-made whipped body butter. For our recipe today, we will not be melting the butter on a double boiler like in most of my tutorials. This time I want to show you that you can whip it cold. So you just cut the mango butter in small pieces. You add the carrier oil of choice. You can add the essential oils at this point or at the very end. It doesn't matter. And then using a fork and being patient, you break it all down until it is ready to be whipped. When you're ready for whipping, use an electric mixer and go from low for a couple of minutes and increase it to high speed. Just keep going until you have the consistency that you like. And here it is, guys. It's ready. This body butter is 100% nutrients, no synthetic ingredients, no water, no fillers, 100% pure goodness for your skin. Put it in your final jar. Use a little bit because a little goes a long way. You can use it all over your body, face. It is suitable for all skin types. I hope you love it.